This is our gorgeous EuroAsian wave. The EuroAsian wave texture is very nice. It's full cuticle in the direction, and you can color any color. You can bleach it color, light brown, no problem. This one is very bouncy, and the cuticle is very full, 100% cuticle aligned. This one and this one, and we have the matching closure and matching frontal. Our frontal is the very unique made to match the EuroAsian wave texture. It's very nice. It's totally different from other vendors' wave. Our EuroAsian wave lace frontal, the unique made is like this. This hairline is baby hairline. Let me shake the frontal to show you the wave. See, this is very gorgeous wave. Match this EuroAsian hair wave very well. Let me show you this one. See. This one. It lasts very long time. 2 years, 3 years, no problem. Maintain well, lasts very long time. You can color again and again, bleach the hair and again. This one. And with the matching closure, this one. You see? And with this hairline, this